Hello, classmate. Hello, sir. I will I will be one of the reporters of the swine feed formulation calculation report. My name is Janendro Amonsho, and my members will be Limpag J. Carl, Limpag J.
Present.
Mondas Gracelyn, and Pilayo Warren. Now, will be the recommendation for the hog finisher. These are the given energy 2,850, lack crude protein 14%, digestive. You get the then proceed tayo sa mong calculation report. Mong gamit na ingredients kay oats, barley, canola meal, soybean meal na 48%, soybean oil dayon, salt, vitamin premix ug zinc. Ang amount na mo nagihatag sa oats kay 50%, ang barley kay 30, canola meal kay 9. Ang canola meal dayon kay 9.75, soybean kay 3, soybean oil kay 1.65, salt 2.25 o Vitamix is 2.25 and zinc dayon kay 1.10. Then ang total amount na calculate na mo kay man siya. I-compare din namo ang ang total na mo o compare sa feed requirements na satisfy na mo ang percentage CP o ME. Pero pag abot sa lysine o mga other mga elements na kailangonon medyo nagkulang ni nag-calculate na lang gid mi sa mo ang side sir para i-calculate na lang ginamo siya sir sa pinakaduol na kuan para at least na ay kuan na mo sir na naging mamo gi-calculate gid sir naglisod gid may og kuan ni og si Pilayo na day kuan din sir mag-explain sa amo ang ingredients.
So these are the ingredients, and I'm Warren Pilayo. So feed formulation is providing excellence, performance, and for faster growth of the animals. So by making our feed formulation, we need to research in order to obtain a good quality of feed. So in order to obtain is mangita jud kag good nga ingredients ana. So sa among gibuhat nga research is ongoing feed formulation is difficult to make. So good source of good ingredients, so soybeans, salt, oat, barley, and etc. is some of ingredients that will help us to build or make a good feed for animals. So in order to function these all ingredients is you need to balance the balance of the ingredients. So by balancing the ingredients, so there's a formulation which is can provide a good dietary for the animals and providing energy. It seems a good source of and essential of building proteins like that, and we need to focus on the ingredients of our ingredients so that we can maintain the growth faster of the animals. So mura na siya kung na sa akong mga kan. Salamat kayo.
So nanimi ang oats din sir nagamit ni sa oats sa swine diets because according sa research daw sir, a fine medium grinds is better than a coarse grind. Pelleting of swine diets containing oats usually improves feed conversion greater degree than pelleting of diets that use corn, grains, sorghum, or wheat as a sole sources of grain. And besides providing an energy source, oats are often included in swine diets for other reasons and at dietary level of 10 to 20%. Oats are somewhat helpful in minimizing diarrhea, arrive diarrhea problems prevalent in weaned pigs and newly arrived feeder pigs. Oats frequently used in bulk, sow diets, and to help overcome constipation problems, particularly around farrowing time. And oats are also valuable in protecting growing pigs against ulcers. So, giapil na naman siya sir kay tungod sa iyang mga benefits sa pigs sa iyang grow o iyahang mga enable na di siya madali di siya dali ma-diarrhea and ug maka against pigi siya sa ulcer. Then sa barley din sir, barley contains the most phosphorus than common cereal grains that are phosphorus has a higher bioavailability than the phosphorus of grains. The primary advantage of barley relative to the alternative energy of feedstuff are higher content digestible nutrients. The levels of the bioavailable amino acids represent the greatest nutritional advantage of the barley comparison with alternative grains. The primary source of these advantages is their higher content of essential amino acid in lysine. So, muna siya mong giapil po ng barley sir tungod po sa good essential tungod sa na siya higher content sa essential amino acid. Then sa canola meal dahil sir pick na mo siya po sir kay na po siya good of essential amino acids, especially methionine. And growth of finishing phase, canola can be used as a high dietary levels will support excellent pig performance. Higher studies shown that when diets are balanced for the digestible amino acid levels, performance is equal to that soybean meal based diets with dietary inclusion levels of canola meal with 25%. Typically, inclusion of canola meal will be increased gradually to avoid any potential reduction in feed intake. So, na may amo ang concern ang among canola, nag-add po ni sa among soybean meal kay kung siya compatible man siya sa soybean meal sir. So, soybean meal din, i-add na mo soybean meal is to believed to have provide 78 of the energy value of as corn, but according to the good band and study of the feeding increasing amounts of soybean meal increase the net energy value to approximately 105% to 121% of energy provided by corn. In additional providing energy, soybean meal is also good for source of amino acids and additional for the protein muscle for the growth of the swine. And zinc is a trace involvement. Daghan ang, by the way sir, ang zinc according to my research kay daghan siya og kuan, pwede siya sa enzyme digestive system o sa iyang mga other factors pa sir. Daghan iyang mga benefits para sa pigs para sa iyang growth. Then also salt and salts sir, para sa optimal para dali pa mo growth ang pigs. So pili ginamit siya sir para gini sa pig sir kay mostly pig kay more on kun sila kanang sa tawag ni kanang more on amino acid sila, so mostly concentrated kinamo kay para sa amino acid para dali kay amo ang pig man namo ginapatago kay from finisher ay growing to finisher man sir. That's all. Thank you.